at a wedding show, you must have something printed that the attendee can take with them. Your promotion piece will go into a bag with many others. And when they get home, they're going to dump everything out on the table, sort through it, categorize it, read most of it, and throw some of it out. It is important that your promotion piece stands out so that it doesn't get thrown out. Here are 5 tips for standing out. Number 1, do something different. A lot of what is handed out will be white paper, black ink. Do something different. Odd size pages, different color paper, thicker paper. All of these things are better than boring black and white. Number 2, convey the appropriate image. Your promotion piece does not have to be expensive, but it must convey the right image. If you're a Ritz-Carlton, you can't have marketing materials that look like they came from the Econo Lodge. If you are targeting a higher end wedding, use a promotion piece that looks higher end. If you're targeting weddings in the middle, don't use promotion pieces that look too high end because that will confuse your message. Number 3, when you're at the show, don't stack your brochures. If there are fewer of them out on the table, the perceived value will be higher and you avoid the people that grab and run. You're not at a show to hand out your stuff. You're there to make connections. Number 4, keep things current. Styles change, popular colors change, terminology changes. If you've been using the same handout for more than 2 years, it's time to update it. Having a big box of old brochures in your back room is not a good enough reason to keep handing out that old stuff. And while you're updating your stuff, ditch the cliches. Don't start off with congratulations on your upcoming wedding. Everybody does that, so do something different. Number 5, include a call to action, an offer, and a deadline. Your call to action is what you want them to do next, whether it's to call you for more information, schedule an appointment, or come in for a tasting. Your offer is some sort of reward for responding to your call to action. It doesn't have to be a discount. It could be a bonus, an upgrade, or something as simple as a free educational report. And always include a deadline so that they respond right away.